HYDMECH introduces the S-20 next generation horizontal pivot band saw, built for job shops and small batch fabrication. This compact saw cuts up to 13-inch round and 13 by 18-inch rectangular material, with mitering from 90 to 30 degrees. What sets it apart? An industry-exclusive 7-inch HYDMECH touchscreen with digital angle display, replacing traditional analog setups for faster, more accurate cuts. It also features EcoSmart mist lubrication, using up to 90% less coolant while improving cutting performance, especially on tubing. Powered by a 3-horsepower direct drive motor with VFD control, the S-20 delivers consistent, efficient operation. See it live at IMTS 2026, booth 236854.